Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor out to mid-lake until 9 a.m. At
Everything is
7:29
happening
a.m.,
right now. What
severe
the fuck?
thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles north of Little Lake Harbor to 27 nautical miles northeast of Montrose Harbor, moving southwest at 5 knots.
What the fuck?
Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas.
What the hell?
Seek safe harbor immediately.